Greetings, amazing viewers of the YouTuber Center channel. And today marks the 7th chapter in our incredible journey of discovering the myriad ways to earn money online. Can you believe it? We've already explored a whopping 90 groundbreaking ideas, and in this video, we're adding 10 more potent concepts to your repertoire. If you're ready to expand your online income avenues and unlock even more potential, you're in for a real treat. But before we dive into these fresh opportunities, if you're as eager as I am about these new ideas, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're joining a dynamic community that's always at the forefront of money-making strategies. Alright, without further ado, let's delve into these 10 brand new, powerful ideas to help you earn money online. Hosting webinars and online workshops. Webinars and workshops allow you to share your expertise on a specific topic with a live audience. You can charge participants a fee to attend or offer premium content for a subscription. Creating educational YouTube channels. By producing high-quality educational content on platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistent uploads and engaging content are key. Online language teaching and tutoring. Fluent in a particular language? Offer language lessons or tutoring sessions through online platforms. This can be one-on-one sessions or group classes, and you can charge per session or on a subscription basis. Science or educational content creation. If you're knowledgeable in a specific field, creating educational content through articles, videos, or courses can be monetized through ad revenue, sponsorships, or selling premium content. Teaching DIY skills through video tutorials. Share your crafting, woodworking, or DIY skills through video tutorials. Platforms like YouTube or subscription-based services allow you to monetize your expertise. Historical or cultural storytelling. Share stories about historical events, cultures, or landmarks. This can be done through blogs, videos, or even podcasts. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsored content, or merchandise. Virtual museum tours and history lessons. Offer virtual tours of museums, historical sites, or lessons on specific historical eras. Monetize through ticket sales, subscriptions, or donations. Offering online classes in various subjects. Create and sell online courses in subjects you're knowledgeable about. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable can help you reach a global audience. Specialized training for professionals. If you have expertise in a specific field, e.g., digital marketing, finance, offer specialized training or workshops to professionals looking to upskill. Teaching coding and programming to beginners. With the increasing demand for tech skills, teaching coding and programming to beginners can be highly lucrative. Platforms like Udacity or Codecademy can be used for course distribution. Remember, success in these fields often requires a combination of expertise, engaging teaching methods, and effective marketing. Building a strong online presence, understanding your target audience, and consistently delivering high-quality content are essential components of success in online education. And there you have it, 10 more phenomenal methods to elevate your online income game. From unique freelance skills to virtual event planning, the digital world is a treasure trove of financial possibilities. If any of these ideas spark your interest or if you have questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And, of course, show your support by smashing that like button and becoming a part of our growing community through a subscription. We're here to lead you towards success in the online arena. Thank you for being here with us today. Remember, every idea we discuss is a potential step towards financial freedom. Stay curious, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.